Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to write curved text in Photoshop. So let's start it. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see curved text. Write in Photoshop. Now going to the toolbar option. Now you can see then select from text tool. Now click. Now going to the text layer size option. Now choose size. Now click. Now type or text. Now click tick mark option. Now keyboard press from Ctrl T. Now this is your text. Now move the text. Now again click tick mark. Now you can see curved text in Photoshop. Now going to the text layer option. Now click from mouse right button option. Now you can see then is going to the wrap text option. Now select. Now we can see then I show the many option. Now select from style option. Now click from R's. Then choose curve. Now click OK. That is. Now you can see curved text in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.